Mr. Speaker, I would like to draw the attention of the CS to the figure 5%. Going by the example in this House, the House is expected to be properly constituted when we have at least two senators who live with disability. The Speaker would never start the House unless that provision was made. In your case, it is 5%. Listening to you, you are giving the country the go-round, whiling and talking about circulars and all manner of things that you have said. This failure by yourself and your ministry in this issue of 5% is a reflection of your failure in the employment of our youth outside the country. Those youths have asked me this morning, because they knew you were coming, that I demand of you, which I now do, that you resign as the cabinet secretary in the ministry. Are you willing to do so that you can be properly investigated?
Senator Boni, Honorable CS, you can disregard totally that statement by Senator Boni. Just disregarded that statement. It's got nothing to do with what has brought you before this House. Senator